Okay, we'll start with the partridge, long nymph HA1 size 10. This is the devil bug or the Cooper bug or the Goofus bug. I'm tying this with Dyneema or GSP. So we'll just put a foundation on. It's not quite known what this represents. I guess it's a skating caddis, but it's a extremely effective pattern. So we just cover the central part of the hook shank, and then we take some fluorescent chenille and we tie this in. That'll do us fine there, and then we go along to the front. It's a great searching pattern, this. I've done that a little bit too long. I'll just trim that off. There we are. So I'll go back here. And we'll wrap a nice neat body with the chenille. I want to go back. So it's a double thickness. A nice cigar, and then we'll tie this off. And remove the chenille there. Excellent. We need some elk natural. It's best if this is quite long hair, it makes it just that much easier to handle. Now I like this to be a little longer, the tail, than usual. I spin my thread anti-clockwise so it's flat. So what we do here, perhaps if I lift you can see it better, I want this to stay on top of the hook shank. So I go once round the hair and then twice, tighten up first on this first one and then twice around the hair itself. That's perfect. And just tighten that up again. And then we'll go up here and through the chenille. I'll spin my tying thread up so it's a round profile, then we won't see it. Go forward here and then we pull everything over. Now we want this to lie flat. We don't want these to be crossed. All nice and parallel, makes us so much nicer fly. We put these together and then flatten my thread again. Tighten, and then we go through the head. Go underneath, lift the hair at the front, whip finisher, and give it one more. You can tie this also with natural deer hair, but if you're fishing in low light or at a distance, this is a great advantage. Yeah, and then we collect all these to the front. And you want it to push a little bit of water when you retrieve it. So I like the head to be a little large. And that's it. That's the finished Cooper bug, or Goofus bug, or Devil bug. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.